Gare de Rennes. Bonjour, bonjour. Hi. So today I'm in Rennes. It's the 7th of December and I am getting the keys to my new apartment, and I am testing for the first time my new GoPro, which is the GoPro Hero 11. And yeah, it's really nice to see the quality of it already. I have tried it a little bit inside at home, but first time I'm trying it really properly outside, and it seems to be great. And there's this little screen that I can see myself on, really nice. Stabilization seems to be really good. Yes, a great stabilization. I can see myself. I'm using a tiny Joby Gorilla Pod, which is just with the proper fixation for the GoPro. Really nice and smooth. I'm just walking just regularly. I don't have like a special microphone on it or anything. It's really the built-in microphone, and it's raining and it's cold, so I hope that the rain will be okay with the GoPro. It's called La Vilaine. Jardin Saint-Georges. Just so many beautiful buildings in this city. Look at this one. So I actually took my compact camera, the Lumix TZ80, which is really crappy, and it's old and it's all busted and stuff, and it doesn't do really well. Under the rain or when it's dark. So I also want to try to take photos with the GoPro just to see the results. Maybe I will show some photos even if they are not good photos, but just to see the quality that it's capable of. Right now I'm using the cinematic mode, so I have slightly modified the original cinematic mode. I've put it in 4K, 30 frames per second on linear mode. And here is the church that's next to the Parc du Tabor, and I've forgotten the name of this church, but I'm going to the Parc du Tabor. I swear that this park is really nicer when it's not raining, but it rains a lot. The birds, I'm not sure if they were rescued or something. That's the pigeonholes there. Usually there are chickens, I think, yeah. But they're probably staying warm inside. Okay, so here's the baby. Yeah, I can see myself in the screen. Oops. Let's tap it. And yeah, that's really great. Okay, let's just keep on moving. Big trees. I like big trees. That's the orangerie. It's really deserted today because of the rain. So yeah, I have it all to myself basically. By the way, I'm ending up talking a lot about this camera because I'm really enjoying using it. The quality seems to be fantastic. I will check this out later on my laptop. But how easy to use is the main thing. Like the combo of quality and easiness of use. Easy to use, yeah. That's why I find it attractive, and I'm talking a lot about it. But this is absolutely not a review. If you know me, you know I don't do reviews. It's pointless. Just use a camera that's best for what you have in mind, or for the way that you live and are going to use this camera. So yeah, choose whatever camera is good for you. But yeah, for now I'm really satisfied with this one. at least for filming. That's like really convenient. There, that's just like a huge variety of different plants. Not so good for macro. It can't be good for everything, eh? That's really a nice park, and that is a hotel for insects. I really like this park. Look at this, how nice. Big plants. Oh, should I try to put it in the water? And it's still working. So yeah, I even managed to squeeze in a little underwater test. That's beautiful. Alright, so now I need to exit this beautiful park and find my apartment to get the keys. Now it's time to go. I'm not going to spend the whole afternoon there. My train back to Brest is at 5 p.m. I'm going to the Fine Arts Museum this afternoon just to pass the time, and it's a great museum. And now I'm going to the Fine Arts Museum, and that is a great opportunity to test this camera with some wind because it's a bit windy right now. And there was a bus, so great test. That's the Fine Art Museum. There's this artist as a temporary exhibit. So I'm out of the Fine Arts Museum. It's 3:40, so I still have time before my train, which is at 5 p.m. So I think I'm going to stop by Les Champs Libres. Les Champs Libres, that's the library part, this one. So I am out of here. It's 4:30 approximately. My train is at 5, so I need to go to the train station now. Slightly rainy right now again.